as you can see, the door is right here to the right. You close that, and then against the wall to the right side, I have this shelving piece. My dad actually found this for me at a yard sale, believe it or not, 2 years ago. It was only like $10 or $15 and it's still going strong. I love this shelving unit. It's perfect for adding decorative pieces like I have, and I've kept a lot of very similarities with my decor. If you guys have watched any of my previous beauty room tours, I just switched out a couple of things, but for the most part it's very similar. But yeah, I just like to store a couple little things here, little knickknacks that I got from like TJ Maxx and Home Goods. And I also do have some fairy lights around the shelving, and these are from Target. Again, I also got those a while ago. They're from the brand Room Essentials, but if I can find them, I will link them for you guys. I will link everything that I'm talking about if I can find it, so just check the description box below. Okay, so starting off on the top shelf, right here to the left, I have this mason jar that says movie night. That was actually a gift from my cousin. It's so cute. It has a bunch of my favorite movies on popsicle sticks, and she categorized them for me, and I just thought it was super cute. She got that for me a few years back, and I love it. I love little stuff like this. It's like handmade. It means so much to me. And then I have my YouTube plaque for when I hit 100,000 subscribers, which also means everything to me. I love that. I love having it right at the top. And then I also keep some business cards here. Now these are actually with my old YouTube name. Let me know if you guys have been with me since my name used to be JuicyJas with 4 Y's. I switched it out about a year ago, and I just kept it to 1 Y just to make it easier for people to search. But I'm pretty sure if you still search my name with 4 Y's, it'll still pop up. So I like to keep these, well, for one, I have a bunch of extra ones, but I like these for basically promoting myself. If I'm talking to somebody and I'm letting them know what I do, I think it's much easier for me to just give them a business card and they can search me up rather than me trying to explain exactly what I do. You know what I'm saying? So it's a really great way to promote not just your YouTube channel, but your business in general. And I customized these myself with my picture and everything that I wanted on them on Vistaprint. So check down below if you guys are interested. Definitely recommend them. They weren't that expensive and I got a bunch of them. And then right here to the right, I have this canvas that one of my subscribers' husband actually painted for me. You guys know I'm obsessed with Gossip Girl, so it says, you know you love us, XOXO. Obsessed with it, so cute, and yeah, Gossip Girl's life, so gotta have that up there. Okay, then right below that, I have this little, I don't even know what this is. It's like a little block thing. It just says create on it, which I thought was perfect because obviously, you know, YouTube, it kind of just all goes together. So I got that from Home Goods. And then right below that, I have some flowers. Those I think I got either from Home Goods or TJ Maxx like 2 years ago. They're just fake flowers, but I thought they were cute. They add a nice little touch. And then going right below that, I have another one of those little block things. And I thought this went perfectly, one with the flowers that I have right above them. And then I love what it says because I don't know if you guys can really tell, but it says the undeniable sweetness of Jasmine. So also got that from Home Goods. Obviously, if you don't know, my name's Jasmine. So I just thought that kind of went super well with me and everything, and I loved it. What are the odds of me finding that? I don't know, but I found it at Home Goods. It was the last one. And right below that, I have this cloud that actually lights up, and that is, I want to say my friend Ashley actually got that for me for Christmas, but I want to say I've seen something like that at like Target or TJ Maxx. Super cute. She knows me. It goes with my room. Love it. And then below that, I have this little like container, which also is really cute. It matches with the lashes on the cloud that I have up there, and it has gold polka dots on it, and that is from TJ Maxx. And I just keep a bunch of like SD cards in there, camera cords, just like random camera stuff in there. And the last 2 shelves are actually empty. I just don't have anything to put on there, so I just left them blank. And then if you guys notice these black things right here on the bottom, those are actually the battery packs for the fairy lights because they do use batteries. So if you're wondering, that's what those are. Okay, and then moving into this section right here, this is where I film my videos, this is where I edit, this is where all the magic happens. Not really, but no, seriously, this is where I get most of my work done, and I love this section. And if you can't already tell, my room is white, gold, silver with pops of pink. I wasn't gonna do the pops of pink, but I really wanted to not make the room look so bland. I wanted it to be kind of colorful, but still very clean looking, so love the pink. So the desk is actually from Amazon. Absolutely love it. It was a little bit pricey, but it's really great quality. I love all the storage units on the side. It's perfect if you have a lot of paperwork like myself, a lot of receipts, a lot of junk. It's really great for just storing things away. And I really, really love it. I will say there's a lot of pieces to this desk. So if you decide to order it, you're gonna have a ton of pieces, and you're gonna need at least 2 people to put it together, and it's gonna take a while. My dad and Hector did it, and it took them about 6 hours. So Very, very time consuming, but I think it's worth it because the desk is really nice and I'm obsessed. This is exactly what I was looking for. I like how it's an L-shaped sort of corner desk because, again, it has a lot of storage. Okay, so starting off right here, I have 2 frames up at the top. So the first one says, "Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself." I got that from TJ Maxx. And then the other one is just a like shoe with like some fashion books, and I got that, I think it was from TJ Maxx or Home Goods. I've actually had that for like 3 years. I got a lot of my decor in store, but if I can find stuff that's similar online, I will link it for you. Okay, then moving into the desk section, the first thing I have here on the right is this cute little mug. Again, it's pink and gold and has eyelashes on it. It just matches everything perfectly in the room. That was actually sent to me, but it looks like something that would be at like TJ Maxx or Home Goods or even Target. And then I have the computer right here. This is actually Hector's computer, but he just keeps it up here because it's kind of convenient for both of us if we ever need to use it. And he's up here actually very often using it. So I don't know the exact dimensions of it. I think it's like the smallest iMac version. I'm honestly not 100% sure, but yeah, it's just from the Apple store. And then on this side over here, I have this picture frame. I actually need to print a picture out and put one in there, but for now it's just blank. I got that from Home Goods. I love the design on it and like the rustic gold on the pink. I thought that was super pretty. I also keep a notepad here. That notepad is from TJ Maxx, and I wanted to show you guys that I also got this other one with avocados on it, which is so me. I'm obsessed with these. They were like $2 and I just love writing things down, and I just thought these were really cute. And here I pretty much just write some upcoming video ideas or just things that I need to do because I forget things sometimes really easily if I don't write them down. So I always keep some sort of notepad or like sticky notes or something on my desk. And then I have this lamp, which I actually really like because you touch it and then it comes on. So love that. That is from Target. And then right next to that, I have a pink pineapple, which is from TJ Maxx. I almost forgot to also mention this chair. This is actually called a ghost chair. It's from Amazon. It's not the comfiest chair in the world, I will tell you that. I actually use it to film and when I edit, and sometimes I have to just move to a different part of the house because it's not comfortable, but it's very cute and I really like it. It's really great quality. It's like a hard acrylic material, so that's why it is a little bit more on the pricey side, but I thought it went perfectly with the room and I really like the look to it. So that is from Amazon. It does not come with the cushion. You have to buy that separate. They do have different colors though, and the cushion is also from Amazon. And then over top of that, I have this, it's actually a rug, not gonna lie. It's a large like circle rug. It's from Target and I just fold it down the middle and just place it over top just to add not just a little bit more support, but just to add a little bit of an extra pop of color. Okay, and then over here, again, this is all connected. So this is also part of the desk. I just keep a candle right on top from TJ Maxx, and I also have a coaster, which is also from TJ Maxx. I have a coaster just because sometimes I find that when I burn candles, they will stain if I don't put something underneath, especially in this room because it gets so hot. And then I just have my laptop and the cases from Amazon. If you guys are interested, because I get so many questions actually, surprisingly, about my laptop, but it is a MacBook Pro 13-inch with Retina. I got it from the Apple store. I like it. It's okay for storage. It's not the greatest, but it gets the job done and I can edit my videos on there, so I'm happy. And I use iMovie, by the way, to edit. Okay, I'm not gonna go through all of the drawers in here because it's like super boring, but I will show you guys one of them just so you can see, if you're interested in purchasing the desk, how far the drawers open and how they look inside. So they open out pretty far, which I like. They're pretty spacious and they're not that deep, but the one on the bottom is like super deep. But yeah, I just keep a bunch of random stuff in here, like tape, my planner, thank you cards, just stuff that I use for like giveaways and to send out my Poshmark orders. And yeah, that's very messy. I just have a bunch of envelopes, tissue paper, bubble wrap, but the drawer in here is pretty deep, which I love. Okay, moving into the next part of the room. If you guys watched my makeup collection, then this looks very familiar to you. I'm not going to go into details of every single thing. Again, I will link my makeup collection down below if you guys want to see what's inside the drawers, but in case you missed the video, I'll give you guys a little bit of an overview of where everything is from. So the lipstick canvas right over here is from TJ Maxx. I actually saw online that they have one very similar to it. I just has a little bit of like a gold trim around it. Super cute. It's not the same exact one, but it's very similar. This storage unit right here is also from Amazon. I use it to keep a lot of my makeup. It is perfect. It's called, I think it's like actually a kid's chest, but I thought it was perfect for storage. All I did to really customize this piece was just switch out the knobs. I love doing that with my furniture, and the knobs are crystal knobs from TJ Maxx, but they also have them online on Amazon as well. I've had these curtains for forever. They're just sheer white curtains, and those, I think they're from either Target or Walmart, I want to say. I'm gonna have to watch my old video to let you guys know exactly where they're from. But yeah, they're just super cheap. And then I just have a curtain rod, which I think is also from Target or Walmart, or maybe TJ Maxx, I don't remember. I got that 3 years ago. Moving into this section right over here, I have my vanity. If you guys have been with me for a while, you've seen this a million times, but I've had this for like 3 years. It's from Amazon. I love it. I think if you're looking for some good storage pieces, I would definitely check out Amazon. They have great deals, and I like how they have a lot of variety. So I think this was around $200, which I think is great considering how long I've had it and just everything that comes with it. So you get obviously the vanity table, the stool, and then the mirror, which I love. I just switched out the knobs. They're the same exact ones in this storage piece right here. Again, those are from TJ Maxx. And then I do have a glass piece right over top of the vanity just to protect it from stains and chips or anything like that. And that, I get so many questions about the glass piece. That is actually something custom made that I got in my town, but I'm pretty sure you can find something like that very similar at Lowe's or Home Depot. I would just Google and find like local glass shops in my area that can customize something for you, obviously to your own dimensions for what you need it. Also, I have these acrylic containers with my makeup brushes. Those are from Target. And then I have this white container here to the right that is from Luxe Boxes. This acrylic box is actually from Clinique. They sent it to me, and I just keep all of my beauty sponges there. And then I also have my vanity mirror, which is from TJ Maxx. And then right here, I just have my stool. Again, this came with a vanity. I actually had taken this away at one point because I wasn't even using my vanity to get ready, but I brought it back because I like the way that it looks. And when I clean away all of my camera equipment and everything, I like to actually get ready here in my vanity. Don't be fooled by this stool. I know it might not look the most sturdy, but again, I've had this for 3 years and I've had no issues with it. Looks can be deceiving because it's actually really, really good quality. I did switch out the seat cover, by the way. Originally, it came with like this beige sort of cloth-like material. Wasn't my favorite. It was super stained, so I took that one off and I put this one on. And I just got this cloth. It's actually not cloth. It's like, I don't know what the material is, but it's really easy to clean, which I love. And I got that from like the fabric section at Walmart. And then moving into this section over here, I have my mirror from Home Goods. I got this, I think like 2 years ago or last year. Love the detail on it. It goes perfectly with the room. I think it was like $50 to $70. They have a lot of really large full body mirrors that are like really affordable. This is where I take all of my OOTD selfies on Instagram if you guys follow me. And then over here, this is actually a new addition to my room. I added these two canvas pictures right here. Those are from Amazon and I loved them. I wasn't gonna add anything to this room just because it is very small. I didn't want to overcrowd it, but I saw these and I was like, okay, they're perfect. They go with the room really nicely. They add a little bit of a pop of color, but they're not too much. So check those out. They have all different sizes as well. And then this is where I have the rest of my makeup stored. So these 3 acrylic organizers are from Amazon. And then right here, this is actually a kid's dresser, believe it or not, but I thought it was perfect for storing makeup. They're very spacious, the drawers inside, and I love the detail, the handles. Really, really pretty. I actually have found this online. They do sell it. It is more expensive versus if you get it at Home Goods, but definitely check out Home Goods because I actually just went there not too long ago and they had like 2 of these left, so check it out. The last thing that I wanted to mention was this huge area rug. This is actually called a Shaggy Eyelash Rug. I got this from Target in store. It's a 5x7. If you guys are interested, it covers most of the room, which I really love. I honestly didn't want a rug for this room because I got new floors and I love the way the floors look, but the echo in here was just way too bad. I needed something to help with that for my videos. I did get a new mic, but the rug was needed. So yeah, it was from Target. It was expensive. It was more than what I wanted to spend on a rug, but it's really, really great quality. It doesn't shed, like the pieces that are like really fluffy on the rug don't come off. So definitely worth the money. So. All right, and that takes us right back to the beginning. I really hope you guys enjoyed this beauty room tour. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Let me know which piece was your favorite. I love you guys so much. Thanks for everything, and I will see you in a few days in my next one. Bye.